Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make this retro effect, 80s text effect in Photoshop. So let's jump right into it. First off, I downloaded this image from Google. I just Googled 80s background and you get a bunch of cool options. You can also make your own, but today we're going to learn about the text effect. So to my background, I just added a gradient fill. I'll show you how I did that. I just clicked on here and go to gradient. I selected the radial one and I don't want it to start from the middle but start from the outside, so I'm going to reverse it and then scale it up a bit till I'm happy with how it's looking. You kind of get a focal point in the center by doing this. So here's the before and after. And then let's think about our text. I've already saved this effect in my layer styles, so you can do that after when you're done. These are my layer styles. And this is the effect we're gonna get, so I'll show you guys how to do that right away. So what you're basically going to do, you write out your text, you choose your font, then you're going to double click on it to open up the layer styles. And you're going to add a bevel and emboss effect. Feel free to copy these settings. I'm going to say that depending on the size of your text and all that, and your artboard and all that stuff, you might need to tweak things a little bit and personalize them to however you prefer. So maybe change the colors and all that stuff. So you add a bevel and emboss effect, a contour effect, a stroke, an inner shadow, a gradient overlay. You can play around with these also if you don't really like the colors. As you can see, if I were to change this to like more of a blue tone, this is sort of what you'd get, which is still looks cool to me. I'm going with the pink today. We're then going to add in outer glow, and you're going to add 4 times a drop shadow to get this cool effect that you see behind my text. So the first one's going to be one color with these settings, second one's going to be another color that you choose, third one, and fourth one. Just have to press OK after, and you got your first text. Now for the little text underneath, you just do the same thing. Basically, you just double click on it. And let's move the window so we get to see this better. Right. And we're going to add a bevel and emboss effect, a contour, a stroke, a color overlay, an outer glow, and a drop shadow. Now for this specifically, you might need to tweak these settings more than the other text. I feel like the outer glow for this size of text is a little too big, so I'm going to reduce it a little bit and lower the opacity. And then I'll change up the bevel and emboss effect to make it fit better. Right, so this looks cool to me. Select everything, right click and convert it to smart object. Nothing's gonna happen. If you all want to go back, you're just gonna have to double click on the thumbnail over here and you got your layers all separated there. But I'm gonna go to filter and add some noise, just to give it that 80s retro feel. Maybe that's a little too much. I'm gonna go with 4. Let me show you how to make it into layer style so that you can actually just have it in here whenever you want. You're just gonna go, if you don't have your layer style options over here, just go to window and select styles. Just double click on the text to get the layer style options and just click on new style, name it, press OK, and it will automatically save it right over here. So it's that easy. Next time you open up Photoshop, you're gonna have it here. So if you write whatever you want to write, you'll just find your text right here. So this was the before, this was the after we tweaked it a little bit. And yeah, that's it. I hope you guys loved this tutorial. Feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Comment if you have some tutorial suggestions. Also, linked down below are going to be all of my gradient map packs and my texture packs and all my assets. And also go check out my Instagram page. I've been posting daily designs on there, and it's been almost 500 days straight. And yeah, thank you so much. I love you guys. See you soon. Bye.